Hello, country people. Nnamdi Kanu's International Council asks Britain to support referendum for Biafra. Bruce Wayne, international lawyer, come spokesman, join for Nnamdi Kanu on Thursday. Don't ask UK make them for make referendum for Igbos inside Southeast until make them decide whether them want remain inside Nigeria or them want their own country. Fayose write letter give British High Commissioner to Nigeria. Arista lawyer Jimakona provide the letter come query Britain why them go to support lawless united Nigeria because of waiting then they get. Bruce Wayne make and clear international law supports make people of Southeast seek self-determination. He say he pain am say Britain go to support a lawless Nigeria. He advised United Kingdom make them file case against Nigeria inside the International Court of Justice sake of say them deny people of Biafra a self-determination referendum as required by Article 1 of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights and an indefinite number of corresponding human rights treaties and resolutions. And at the time where Britain supposed to do now unto say them don't do Biafran people bad well for more than a century. Atiku considering former Southeast governor as running mate. This according to sources. Former Imo State Governor Ihedioha be like say him go be Atiku Abubakar's running mate for 2023 presidential election based on waiting with a hear. According to source of this story, Ihedioha and Atiku then get very good relationship plus Tambuwa self. As some say based on waiting Ihedioha don't do it, be like say it makes sense say him fit that position now. And for people who don't know Ihedioha, that's Ihedioha, him be former deputy speaker of the House of Representatives, and he also be former governor of Imo State, where Supreme Court do would remove, conquer, even the also na po Beyiba, Uzodema of the All Progressive Congress APC, can replace him. But since that time, Ihedioha still remained PDP leader inside Imo State. Against popular speculation, the North massively asking for P2B, contrary to what most pundits, most people have said that P2B would hardly get a Northern support for choosing an unpopular party. Numerous Northerners trooped out to welcome him as he steps foot in one of the Northern Nigerian soil. This one against all the lie and conclusions. Say North no go accept P2B. Many Northerners don't troop out. They hail P2B, say na him be the man for 2023. So as it be said, many inside Northern Nigeria want P2B presidency. As we round up, make we read waiting former governor of Ekiti State, Ayodele Fayose, tell Igbo people onto P2B presidency. What Fayose told Ndigbo. I love Igbos, but I have to tell them the truth because I love them. It is now a law to transmit votes electronically. That means rigging of election has been reduced drastically. Igbos are only tribe that have 99% of voters in Southeast and second highest voters in other regions in Nigeria. In the Southwest, after Yoruba votes, Igbos votes come second. Lagos has the highest number of voters in Nigeria and Igbos are competing with Yorubas in voting power in Lagos. In South-South, we have indigenous Igbos in the South-South and all the major cities in the South-South are occupied by Igbos. Go to Port Harcourt, you will understand what I mean. In the North Central, go to Jos, all the state capital in the North Central. Igbos are the second largest population after the indigenous people. In the Northwest, go to Kano and Kaduna and you will know that Igbos are the second largest population after indigenous people. In the Northeast, go to Maiduguri and all the state capital. Igbos are the second largest tribe after indigenous people. Go to Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Igbos are the largest population in Abuja today. If Igbos really want to determine who will rule this country today, they will, but they only sit back and lament without any action. P2B is the most qualified candidate to rule this country,
but Igbos are not with their voters card. Go and get your PVC today. This is coming from Ayodele Fayose, former governor of Ekiti State. He is talking to Igbos that you have the power to grab that 2023 presidency, that you have all it takes, that in most of the states in Nigeria, you come second when it comes to population. You come second. And in your place, you have 99% say. And in population, you're almost 99%. And in every other state in Nigeria, you are coming second. In Lagos, that you are competing with Yoruba, they don't even know if you are more than Yorubas in Lagos. Then, in Abuja, you outnumber the owners of Abuja, the Bagi people and others. This is what Fayose is trying to say. I don't know what you think about this. Add your comment. This is a personal suggestion. Anybody can say anything. Add your comment on the comment section. Tell us what you think. I am Azuka OJ. Bye-bye for now.